Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Hyper Scape error Safron 209 and how to fix this up. So I'm not wasting much time, so directly get into this. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to make sure to restart the game and Uplay launcher completely. So first thing to do this, you have to exit the game, the game as well as the launcher, and once after that you just have to go to the task manager and you have to check for the process whether they're running or not, and if running then you have to end task. So as you can see that you just have to see, you'll be seeing here the game, you have to go here and you have to go for end task, right? And once after you just make sure yourself that it's completely closed, then what you have to do is you just have to go here and you just have to go for a restart, and that might be fixing up. And if that doesn't work, now what you have to do is you just have to run the Uplay client. You have to run the Uplay client, then you have to, and the BattleEye using the admin permissions, so you just have to go for it. So that's not so important, and even I have seen that in some of the cases in Reddit people say that that's not working in the most case. So I just don't want you guys to be that, right? So I'm not going for it. But next, one of the things which you can do is you have to press Windows key plus R, so which is a shortcut to open the run dialog box. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to press Windows press R. As you can see that the run dialog box appears, and where I have to type as follows. So I'll be giving you in the description where you can get this up. So you have to type ms configuration. You have to write config. You have to write ms config, then you have to go for OK. Then it is going to take you to this, and from here you have to click on the general tab you'll be having from the general, and where you have to go for you have to select uncheck load startup items. You have to go for load startup items. As you can see that now I have to uncheck. I'm asking once again, I just want to make it notice, you have to uncheck it. It's already ticked by default. You have to check, you have to change it. Then you have to go to services. You have to go here to the services, and from here you have to hide all Microsoft services. You have to hide all Microsoft services. You have to check here between, and you have to completely hide it, right? You have to completely hide it. Okay, that's what you have to do from here. Then you have to hide all the Microsoft services, then select disable all. As you can see, there is one option, you have to go for disable all. So you just have to follow the instructions once again. You have to hide all the Microsoft services, right? You have to hide it, then you have to go for disable all. Once after that you just have to go for apply and go for OK. Then what you have to do is after that you just have to go here back once again, and you have to go here and you have to try for restart, where you have to try for restart and make sure that this is going to fix. And also I would like to make it notice is you have to disable both Windows firewall protection. So you just have to search here and you have to go for Windows here, and you have to change here that, as you can see that, turn Windows on. So you just have to turn off this protection as well as the antivirus on the system, and to resolve the error which is called Hyper Scape Safron 209 error. This is what you have to do. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section where we and our team will get back to you. This is Shahin signing off from Guitar Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.